Hey, my friends, it's Kimm Brown. We're 50 and we're fabulous, aren't we? Yes. So thank you for popping into my video today and finding your perfect matte. We are going to talk about the Time-Wise Matte and Luminous Wear 3D Complex Foundation. It's a liquid form. It goes on beautifully. If you love your foundation and you're like, hey, my foundation is great, then this video is not for you. But if you're like, I'm not really quite sure, stay tuned. We'll be right back. So as you can see, I have no foundation on my face. And what I normally do is we do a couple of stripe tests. And you will watch it in front of you just disappear. Our foundations have two formulas. One is purple and the other is pink. The purple one is for somewhat of a normal to a combination, and that is the matte wear, or Luminous. It'll leave you a little dewy, but it will also help if you are very dry. It will add a little bit more hydration, and it'll just make your skin look healthier. So the second most important factor for me is how the foundation feels and applies. So let's talk about undertones. Undertones for your skin is the color, right, that doesn't change. If you burn easily and you never really tan, you're considered a cool. If you burn but then tan, you're considered more of a neutral. You got a little pink, but you will tan, so you're considered more of a neutral person. And then if you just tan without burning, you're considered a warm person. The next thing you need to do is decide if you're an ivory, if you're a beige, or if you're a bronze. I am a neutral. I am a beige. I sort of could be an ivory up in this area, but definitely I am a beige down here. Next, we're going to look at the samples. So I've chosen 3 colors, right? One is an ivory and 2 are a beige. And the reason I'm doing that is so that you can see the difference on me. And then you will have a better idea when I send you samples according to what you think on how to find that. Let's just recap. I'm a combination skin. So that means I'm wearing matte wear, which is the purple. I burn a little bit, but I will tan. So that means I'm a neutral. And I have beige skin, okay? So those are my 3 things. What we're looking for is when we stripe this, and we're gonna go from here to our neck, right? One of them disappears, okay? Now sometimes when I'm matching people, I find 2 and 3 colors could be theirs. One is always going to be the best. The first color I'm going to use is going to be an ivory neutral. I have to see this on my gut. 160. So it is an ivory, and it is a neutral, and it is a 160. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and I'm going to swipe it right here. And I'm going to start with the lightest color, and I'm going to go back. And I'm not even going to put very much on. I'm literally just taking a little bit because I don't want to rub it all in, okay? So, I got to get my earrings out of my hair. So, we're going to take this, and we're just going to keep wiping it until it blends, right? Okay. So, I don't want it too thick or it doesn't absorb well, right? And it won't blend in well. So, my earrings tried. So I'm just going to go ahead. So basically I can see that showing. And it doesn't look so bad with, it's taking the red and it's toning it down. So the next color I am going to use is my 2 beiges. The first beige I'm going to do is the cool 140. The reason I'm going to do that, use a cool, is because I want you to see what it will do. It will almost look good on me, but it will just be a little bit off. And I am going to put it right next to that color. It makes my darker areas like a shadow. But what you might see is that this is deeper. It's a deeper. The third one I'm going to use is my neutral, right? 150. Now these two are the beige. This last one is a 150. It is still in the beige line, but it is a neutral. It's lighter. Even though it says it's a beige 150, the neutral makes it a little bit lighter on my skin. You see these three, and I don't know if I can get it any closer, just totally, all three of them actually look very good as far as I'm concerned. They look really, really close, and that's why they're in my drawer. The Ivory 160, it's a neutral, the Beige Cool 140, and the Beige Neutral 150. I always put on my foundation primer. We're actually going to use our blending brush. So as I said, ladies, I could have worn all three of those. When you're closer and you're in person, you can see a few different things that you wouldn't be able to see, but I can see from here. The best thing about this is it is so lightweight. So if you liked what you saw, please message me down below. You can go to my website, which is down there also, and then you can go in and you can kind of look at the other colors. And I would love for you to share this with your girlfriend. Send me a message and we'll get some information, and I will send you samples. I will send you 3 choices of your samples. You figure out which one you want out of each of the sample containers. So you should be able to wear them for a couple of days and figure out if that is the right one or the wrong one. So ladies, thank you for joining me here today. Look for the information down below, and I hope to see you back soon. Keep looking fabulous and 50.